Hello traders, hello everyone. My name is Gregor and welcome to our new episode of Surfing the Elliott Waves, where I'll look at some of the most interesting developments for this week. This video has been brought to you by Orbex. I will look at the Euro, AUDUSD, Gold, Crude and DAX. Now on Euro dollar, as you know, I've been looking for a reversal back above 1.2 level after this corrective setback was identified as a wave 4. So either that's a wave 5 of an extended wave C. I know that that's not such a clear wave structure, but still it may limit the upside here in the upcoming weeks. Now the another, maybe even better wave count is that we are now moving into wave 5, final leg of an impulsive rise here away from March lows. But both suggest that euro gains could come to an end or could slow down once we have this completed fifth wave up from these November lows. So this may happen, of course, after we have 5 waves up. Now currently that's a wave 1, you have a wave 2, looks like that you're now in the middle of a wave 3, meaning more upside should occur after pullback. Invalidation level is here at 1.1925, because we know whenever we are expecting wave 4, market should not retrace into territory of a wave 1. But even if we see a drop and a daily close below 1.2 level, I think that would already be a very important evidence that maybe these gains are coming to an end. Now let's take a look also on Aussie dollar. Aussie, as you know, is bullish and it's forming a very nice breakout here, so I'm expecting more upside, since I think that this 5-wave rise, big one, has coming to an end, meaning that I'm expecting market to trace back to the termination point here of this wave 4. So more upside can be coming, and in this daily chart, in fact, we are already seeing some nice recovery after this trend line has been broken. Now the question is if we are going to see a very strong rise here into wave 3, or maybe we are here in a wave 5, okay, if we consider that this could also be a wave 4. So I think that we should be very careful here, since we breached new highs, especially if we also consider that from that point, okay, to current level, we can count 5 waves up and on the 4-hour chart. So here's wave 1, you have a wave 2, you have a wave 3, you have a wave 4, and now you have this wave 5 here moving into this very nice potential resistance area. So be careful up there. Just be aware that there can be a pullback, even if only in 3 waves before we go even higher. I think that very important support to look for is here at this former wave 4. Now let's take a look also on very interesting market, gold. Now gold is making a very nice reversal, and we've been looking for this retracement to be a corrective, meaning that we were looking for limited upside, and so far this has unfolded very nicely here at this support at 1764. Okay, we have seen our perfect reversal so far. Notice that on the 4-hour chart, we are already seeing this broken trend line now, and looks like that this is an impulse from the lows, and another indication for this reversal or bottom formation would be an overlap with 1850, okay, because this would invalidate any bearish incomplete impulsive wave count. If someone thinks that's a wave 4, then you know that 1850 should not be overlapped if you think that was an end of a wave 1, because wave 4 must not step into territory of a wave 1. So that would be just another confirmation that gold is turning to the upside. But based on how things are looking right now, I think that more upside can be coming and opportunities after pullbacks. Now let's take a look also on crude oil. Now crude oil is also making a very nice progression to the upside after this broken trend line of this corrective channel. Now very important trend line will probably be this one connected from April and this November lows. So as long as this trend line holds, I think that more upside can be seen, and looks like that here on the 4-hour chart we have seen this recent pullback as a wave 4, because it's not really impulsive. In fact, it was made in 3 waves. So either that's all from a wave 4, or wave 4 will be a little bit more complex, but I think that another move higher here could be in the cards for $47 per barrel. But then just be aware that we could be slowing down either after this completed 5-wave rise here from that low, and you would expect a bigger 3-wave retracement, or maybe a retracement temporary one if that's maybe a wave 3 of an ongoing impulse. But in either case, 47 could be very important, at least short-term resistance levels. Now let's take a look also on DAX. Now DAX is making a very nice move to the upside, as you know, since market reverse here from 11,440 levels. But looking at the 4-hour chart, well, we can count 5 waves up here, potentially with an ending diagonal here, meaning that despite higher prices, the bulls are not that strong anymore. So we could be running in final stages of this first impulse. Just be aware that there could be a pullback. Now the perfect structure would be that you will see something similar like we have seen here for this wave B, but in the opposite direction. At the same time, if we can fill this gap or maybe even retrace back towards these supports here, I think with three waves, I think that this could be a very nice potential opportunity for more upside here. So at the same time, I would be looking then for this to be a head and shoulders pattern. So definitely markets are in uptrend. Dollar is weak, but we are moving into some very nice potential resistance area. Also keep in mind that we are seeing stocks moving higher, but not so aggressively, not so strong. So there may not be a Christmas rally when everyone are so excited and so positive because of the time of the year. Keep in mind that this year it's different. You have coronavirus, you have lockdowns, so it will definitely not be the Christmas as we know it, and this may also not be then the case for the stock markets. Okay, so just be aware of there can be pullbacks, but once those pullbacks will unfold, I think that there can be new opportunities. Okay, first, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will again talk to you soon. Bye.